Words have power, and the art of communication is the language of leadership. Leaders speak the language of vision, painting the future with words that inspire action and ignite passion. Welcome to Sapient Academia. Today we are focusing on how to replace common phrases that leaders should stop using with ones that foster a more positive and productive work environment. Let's dive in. The first one is I don't know. Instead of saying I don't know, try saying I'll find out and get back to you. This shows your commitment to finding answers and supporting your team. Sorry, I missed that. Rather than apologizing for missing information, say thanks for catching that. This acknowledges the correction and shows you value attention to detail. Sorry, I am late. Replace sorry I am late with thanks for your patience. This not only addresses the delay but also appreciates others' understanding. You are wrong. Replace you are wrong with I see it differently. This approach opens up constructive dialogue and respects differing opinions. I am too busy. Instead of I am too busy, say I can help you at a later time. This shows your willingness to assist while managing your own schedule. No problem. Change no problem to happy to help. It conveys a more positive and proactive attitude. You should have. Rather than using you should have, suggest next time let's try better. This offers guidance without sounding accusatory. Sorry to bother you. Instead of sorry to bother you, ask got a minute to chat. This respects others' time while making your request clear. I don't understand. Replace I don't understand with could you please explain it again? This shows your willingness to learn and ensures clear communication. And here is the last one. That's not my job. Instead of saying that's not my job, try let me find the right person to help. By adopting these new phrases, you can enhance communication, foster a more collaborative environment, and demonstrate effective leadership. Thanks for watching. Remember, the words we choose can make a significant impact. Start using these phrases today and watch the positive changes in your workplace. Don't forget to like and subscribe.